Hey guys, just wanted to show you guys the day trade that I made yesterday. Everything up from fossil all the way down to ONCR. As you can see, I'm basically up on every single position, which is absolutely fucking insane, right? Like since fossil and VXRT, I had those, I'm down about 5, 6, 7, 8, like 9%, right? Total for those positions. But for the other ones, XPV, I'm up 10. For LI, I'm up 20. For FLGT, I'm up 12. PDD, I'm up 6. CELH, I'm up 7. FPRX, I'm up 6%. And VEE, I'm up 0.59. And ONCR, I am up 5%. Total right now, if you did a like $10,000 position split between $1,000 and 10 of these, you would be up right now about 30, 42, 48, 50, like 50. You would be up like 60%, and that would be around $600 for the day, which is not a bad return. But yeah, I'm gonna start closing my positions. I will be closing all 10 of these positions. See you later, guys.